Change is hard for a lot of people. If I'm working with a client that is currently on desktop, I will always bring up QBO.
One of our largest clients started out on the desktop, and this was prior to us making this business decision to move everybody to QBO. And even though it was really beneficial for our business, we needed to translate that into it's really beneficial for you as well.
And so a big selling point of QBOA was you can have 24/7 access to your data all the time.
It's nearly unbelievable to clients that it can be so much easier.
A feature that's in QuickBooks Online is the downloaded transactions. If a client calls me with 1,000 transactions that are all over the place and they all came through the bank feed, I can just reclassify them in one click.
QBO has allowed us to classify, create rules where transactions just go to places. And so we've become a lot more output driven.
And this allows us to spend our time more focused on having discussions with folks, training folks, educating them on their workflow.
If we're delivering services through cloud software, we have to know how it works. We have to know how to integrate it. And I think that's really important. We can't push that off to their IT person. We have to know.
Knowing the software does a lot of things for me. We understand the output of the information that we're putting in there, and that's the value of being an expert.
They're coming to us and they're asking for help to take the next step, QuickBooks Online with an integration to a point of sale, or an integration to a practice management or a CRM system or something like that.
It has given them a lot of empowerment with their decision making. And now they've totally embraced the cloud and love QBO.